Here are 4 effective methods for making a narcissist feel remorseful about their hurtful actions towards you. Narcissists derive their power from making you feel inferior, boosting their own sense of superiority. Their aim is to cause you as much pain as possible before discarding you, which makes them feel more significant. However, if you can rise above this and present a new, confident version of yourself, it can profoundly unsettle them. To counter the negative influence of narcissists, it's crucial to change your perspective on life. Instead of succumbing to their efforts to control you, concentrate on self-acceptance and self-worth. Don't let their insults and attempts to undermine your confidence affect you. Recognize that their objective is control, but you deserve autonomy and confidence. To counter the negative influence of narcissists, it's crucial to change your perspective on life. Instead of succumbing to their efforts to control you, concentrate on self-acceptance and self-worth. Don't let their insults and attempts to undermine your confidence affect you. Recognize that their objective is control, but you deserve autonomy and confidence. We appreciate your interest in this topic. In the remainder of this video, I will discuss 5 ways to expose a narcissist's falsehoods, demonstrating their inaccuracies. Subscribe to this channel and enable notifications to receive updates on new content. Let's delve into these strategies together. First, narcissists derive pleasure from inflicting emotional pain on others. They endeavor to mold you into someone who seeks their approval through manipulation and criticism. It's vital to distance yourself from their influence by learning to love and accept yourself. Disregard the anxieties they instill in you. Instead, focus on personal growth and well-being. Understand that their opinion of you doesn't determine your worth. Have faith in yourself and your abilities. Treat yourself kindly, trust your instincts, and appreciate your unique qualities. Release past traumas and reshape your worldview. Your self-worth serves as your strongest defense against external judgments. Align your inner and outer selves and take charge of any gaps in your life for success. Before expecting others to appreciate you, you must first value yourself. This self-assurance enables you to believe in yourself, independent of others' judgments. The second tactic involves creating dependency. Narcissists may use various tactics to make you believe you need them. They can alternate between praise to boost your confidence and criticism to make you doubt your self-worth. Their goal is to make you so reliant on their approval that the fear of rejection looms large. It's essential to heal from past wounds, resist the urge to seek validation from others, and avoid conforming to societal pressures. Recognize that their negative remarks often stem from their own insecurities. Narcissists have deeply ingrained traits that are resistant to change. Attempting to change them is often futile. Acknowledge this reality and shield yourself from their negative influence. People often project their own issues onto others because they can't confront them within themselves. Learn to disregard their criticism and distance yourself from toxic situations. Prioritize self-care and cultivate a strong sense of self-worth. When you're secure and content with your identity, no one can undermine you by highlighting your flaws. Face your fears, nurture your individuality, and find purpose in your life. Third method is that it is very important not to allow narcissists to break your spirit, no matter how hard they try. Narcissists thrive on eliciting emotional reactions from others to maintain their power. They attempt to control you by provoking negative emotions like anger or regret. Regardless of your response, their ultimate objective remains unchanged. It's crucial to maintain composure when dealing with narcissists because their behavior hinges on your reactions. If they perceive that their actions upset you, they'll persist in their torment. By displaying indifference to their behavior, you can confound them. Learn to manage your emotions deliberately, preventing impulsive reactions. When negotiating with a narcissist, emphasizing your feelings puts you in control, rendering their attempts to manipulate your emotions ineffective. Approach situations with an open mind, recognizing that you bear no responsibility for their issues. They may try to shift blame onto you, but don't succumb to their manipulative tactics. Understand that, in difficult times, clarity can be elusive, and you made decisions based on the information available at the time. Be kind to yourself and resist self-blame initially. Narcissists deliberately insult, lie to, and control others to gain power. When self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself that you are inherently good. To succeed in this endeavor, extend kindness and compassion to yourself, avoiding the adoption of their problems and flaws as your own. Your self-worth isn't contingent on external judgments. Positive self-talk can provide solace during challenging times, reaffirming your commitment to maintaining the relationship. Don't let anyone else define your worth based on their preconceived notions. Finally, the last recommendation involves establishing and enforcing clear boundaries. Without well-defined limits, narcissists can manipulate situations to their advantage. They prefer individuals who yield easily and adapt to their demands. In their view, demonstrating their power means having others consent to their every whim. If you must interact with a narcissist due to co-parenting obligations or legal responsibilities, it's vital to uphold the boundaries you've set. Avoid affording them any way that might encourage them to exploit the situation. They might entertain thoughts of exploiting the situation for personal gain. Narcissists often harbor such beliefs. Stand firm in your position. It's either one way or the other. There's no room for compromise. Narcissists can unexpectedly reappear, so remain vigilant. Politely but firmly decline their advances, making it clear that further discussion is unwarranted. To achieve success, maintain unwavering resolve and assertive communication when dealing with narcissists. Keep your judgment sharp, and when engaging with them, employ clear and concise language. Narcissists will persist in attempting to control various aspects of your life, including personal matters and interactions with your children. By establishing and adhering to clear boundaries, you convey your intentions unequivocally. Should someone violate co-parenting agreements, ensure that appropriate consequences are enforced. Display unwavering self-assurance and resolve while setting limits. This conversation has now concluded. We hope these strategies empower you to use a narcissist's pride and arrogance against them. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.